What we're going to look at in this video is how to take an InDesign file and do what we call packaging. So if I want to submit this file to someone for review, so if it's me or for a printer or something, you can't just send the InDesign file. You can't send the InDesign file because it contains nothing. It's kind of like an empty box. But we need to do what's called packaging, which will take the InDesign file as well as your linked image graphic, as well as your typeface, and present it in a way that someone can then take it and use it. So let's take a look at how that's done. So I'm going to go to File and then go to Package. Now, if you have any sort of warnings over here, it'll tell you in here. And some of the warnings that you'll get is that if your graphic is RGB, and again, if you're submitting it just to look at it, you're emailing it to yourself, it's not a problem. But if you're submitting it to print or a printer, it should be a TIFF and it should be in the CMYK color space. All my fonts, my images, print settings, all that kind of stuff is there. All I have to do is then do package. And I'm just going to call it, so I've already done this a couple times, so I'm actually not going to save it. But what I'm going to do is show you copy fonts checked, copy linked graphics checked, update graphics checked, include IDML, and include PDF. You want all those things. This is on by default, just telling you what to do, and then you simply just do package. And what that package looks like is you see the typeface is here that I used, the link graphic is here, and then it has an IDML, and that is for if someone has a lower version of InDesign, it just allows them to open it. Your regular InDesign file, and then your PDF. Right, so a really great way of kind of just doing all this in one step that's there. If for some reason your linked graphic is RGB, you simply have to just go into Photoshop, go to image mode, change it from RGB to CMYK, make sure it's a flat graphic, right? No layers or anything like that, and then save it, and then you're good to go. So that is a little bit of how you package from InDesign.